Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate Snapchat account temporarily. So whether you need a break from the app or you just want to try something new, deactivating your account is easy and only takes a few minutes. So make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, just open up the Snapchat application and then tap on your profile icon in the upper left corner. Now tap on this settings icon. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down until you see a section called support. Once you find it, tap on this I need help and it will load up this page. Once you are on this page, scroll down a little bit and tap on this manage my account and then simply tap on this delete or reactivate my account, and now just tap on this how do I delete my Snapchat account. So even though this says delete my Snapchat account, you are not going to do that. First it will just deactivate your account for 30 days, and after that 30 days it will delete the Snapchat account. So you do have a time limit for this, and you want to make sure that you log back in before the end of 30 days to reactivate your account. For example, let's say you deleted your account on the first day of the month. Make sure to log back in the 28th or 29th day of that month to reactivate your account, because it usually takes about 24 hours to Snapchat to reactivate your account. So with that out of the way, scroll down a little bit and tap on this account portal. So now what you want to do is you just have to type your username and your password and tap on this continue. And now your Snapchat account has been successfully deactivated. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.